Is he all white stripes and like you guys know? Right. Oh, now. I'm very good.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink.
There's jellyfish!
Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Peekaboo, watch out! Ah! Like I'm scared now.
Oh.
What, he's me?
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop moving around!
Fish are friends for good. Delicious friends. I wonder if clownfish taste check out the mini marlin.
Just Nemo, give me some fins.
Okay, little dudes, get ready to rock.
It's Nemo. Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo.
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
So much to discover!
I've never seen before.
Totally, dude!
So many creatures swimming around the sea. In the big blue world. And all of them are out there for me. In the big blue world. We're here with all our friends. In the big blue world. It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there?
Something big and scary!
There's so much to know. In the big blue world.
It's
We're ready to go.
Potatoes, crowns.
Ah, what I get to see a good root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song, but you just never stop.
Okay, Bart, now head out to sea base for more amazing discoveries.
Hi, Brantley here. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.